So you're tired of editing your photos every time you come from a shoot. Worry less. You know why? Because I got you. Hello, my name is Musa Sala and welcome to my channel where we talk about photography and filmmaking. So in today's topic, we're going to talk about how to create your own preset in Lightroom using your mobile phone. But first and foremost, before we start, what do you understand by the term preset? What is this preset that we are talking about? Now that we understand what a preset is, let's head over to our phones and start this whole process. First of all, open your phone, head over to Lightroom, and make sure this. Let me make sure the screen is recording. Yes, it is. We are in 25 seconds. Okay. Pick one of your best work. Why do I insist you pick one of your best work? Because maybe that is how you want your work to look like. You don't want to slap a preset on an image whereby that work wasn't even your best. You'll start messing up the photo more than it is already messed up. So try to select one of your best work that you had worked on, or that you love your current image to have the same look as it is. So in my case, I'll try to create a preset. I have some previous images that I had shot for certain film production companies, and I'll select from that. Let me pick this one. Nope. Yeah, this one looks a little bit balanced just by looking at the histogram. It looks a little bit balanced. And once you've opened up the image in Lightroom, head over to the top right corner where there are three dots. Do I say three icons? Yeah, 3 dots. Tap on it. A pop-up window will appear. On that pop-up window, select where it's written Create Preset. Name your preset how you want it to be. Mine I'll name Test Film. Where do you want it to be? For your case, as you are starting, you'll have to create a new preset group where you want to group your preset. And in this case, I'll say Films Group. Create that preset group name and create that preset. So once your preset is set, let's go back to our image. Let's say I had taken an aerial view shot of my town, and here it is. Here it's in flat profile as much as I could take, because I wanted to get the most out of it. So once your image is loaded up, head over down to the panel where there are maskings, healing, crop, preset, auto. But since you want the preset, you stick on the preset. Tap on it. Something will open up where it's written recommended, premium, yours. Make sure you are selected on the yours and go to where you selected your group. In my case, sorry, I had written film group. I'm tired. In my case, I had written film shoot. No, films group. If you can remember very well, I was almost forgetting that. So I'll tap on the films group, test film. Tap. Look at what just happened. It's more bright. So in such a case, you'll have to make some minor adjustment. But first of all, click on the tick icon on the top right corner that you have selected the correct. So start editing your photos from here. No, start rectifying the small mistakes from here. Like in this case, I'll just go on the highlights, remove more highlights. Okay, remove more light. Move more light. Return some shadows. No, the contrast. These are the contrast. I'll return back some shadows. And back on the color, I'll reduce the blues. and my image is somehow set from this flat image to the current image. So this is just but a test. If you want an in-depth on how to make your image pop, or how to desaturate or something of sort, an in-depth of editing your photos, please comment down on the comments below so that I can create a video for it. And thank you all for the support that you're giving me. And I believe as per now, we're done with the creating preset. So before I end this video, there's something else I'd like to say. I'd like to thank you all for those who supported us by subscribing to our channel and showing more love. Let's keep on the support, and it's really motivating us to create more content like this. And to those who haven't subscribed, please do so and click the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we post a video. Thank you and peace.